Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a versatile drone that packs some impressive features, especially considering its target audience. This is a Grey 4K HD dual-camera GPS drone, measuring about 11.41 inches square when unfolded and just over 2 inches tall. It comes with a generous 3 batteries, which is a big plus for extending flight time right out of the box. One of the standout features is its visual obstacle avoidance system. This is a crucial safety net, particularly for beginners or when flying in environments with potential obstructions. The system helps the drone detect and react to obstacles, contributing to safer and more confident flights. For capturing aerial views, the drone is equipped with dual cameras. It's marketed with dual 4K HD cameras for superior image quality, though the listed video capture resolution is 1080p, while still images are captured at an effective 12 megapixels. This setup allows for decent quality photos and videos from the air, giving users the ability to document their flights and surroundings. Stability is key for good aerial footage, and this drone utilizes both GPS and optical flow positioning. GPS is essential for outdoor flight, providing accurate location tracking and stable hovering, even in moderate winds. Optical flow assists with stability when flying indoors or at lower altitudes where GPS signals might be weak. This dual positioning system helps the drone maintain its position reliably. The control range and image transmission capabilities are also notable. It offers long-distance control and can transmit HD images back to the controller or connect a device up to 1,200 meters away. This allows for exploring a significant area while maintaining a clear view of what the drone's camera sees. Powering the flights are modular smart batteries. Each battery is designed to provide an average flight time of around 18 minutes. With the inclusion of 3 batteries in the package, users can expect a total potential flight time of over 50 minutes, allowing for extended flying sessions without needing to recharge frequently. The modular design also makes swapping batteries quick and easy. Overall, this drone is positioned as beginner-friendly, offering features like GPS stability and obstacle avoidance that make learning to fly less daunting. It's app-controlled, providing an intuitive interface for controlling the drone and accessing camera functions. The combination of dual cameras, reliable positioning, obstacle avoidance, and extended flight time thanks to the multiple batteries makes it an appealing option for adults looking to get into the drone hobby or upgrade from a very basic model. Its gray color and compact folded size make it reasonably portable.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.